Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 2.11, Problem 3. This is Section 2.11, Problem 3. It says find the product of 5/7 and 3.5. So because the word product is used, that means we must multiply. This is the same as saying multiply 5/7 times 3.5. Now, in order to multiply fractions, both fractions have to be written with only a numerator and a denominator, no number. So for the first fraction, that's all set. We don't have to do anything. But the 3.5 has to be converted to what we call an improper fraction. Improper fraction means the numerator is larger than the denominator. So to do that, we will multiply the denominator times the number in front. So we multiply 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. We take that result of 6 and we add it to the numerator. 6 plus 1 more is 7. So 3.5 can be written as 7/2. And now we can multiply. Top times top, bottom times bottom. We'd get 35 over 14, which would reduce nicely, but you can pre-reduce if you like. There's a 7 in the top, 7 in the bottom, and just cancel those. And we would have 5 for the numerator, 2 for the denominator. Now, 5 over 2, or 5/2, is an improper fraction. Some math teachers are fine with that form for the answer, and if that's the case, you can stop there. Other math teachers prefer that it's written as a mixed number, a number with a fraction. And if that's the case, what you do is you divide the denominator into the numerator. 2 divides into 5 twice. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Your remainder, the 1, becomes the numerator, and what was the denominator, the 2, stays the denominator. So you could say that the answer is 5/2, or depending on whether your math teacher prefers this form of the answer, you could say 2.5. They mean the same thing.